Oysterhr HR Review. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, we'll be reviewing Oysterhr HR, one of the top global employer of record platforms designed for remote hiring. If you're a startup or growing business that wants to employ persons in different countries without opening legal entities, Oysterhr makes that easy, fast, and fully compliant. So let's break it all down and see if Oysterhr HR is the right fit for you. To kick things off, what is Oysterhr HR? Oysterhr HR is a global employment platform that allows companies to legally hire, onboard, and pay full-time employees in over 130 countries. You don't need to set up foreign subsidiaries or worry about labor laws, tax rules, or benefit packages. Oysterhr angles all of that. It's ideal for startups hiring globally, remote-first companies, HR teams managing international growth, and founders looking for talent without geographic limits. Basically, if you're expanding your workforce beyond borders, Oysterhr HR takes care of the legal, payroll, and compliance headaches. Now, let's break down the different features of this platform. First, employer of record. Oysterhr acts as the legal employer in the country where your worker lives. They handle employment contracts, payroll, taxes, and compliance. You will also get access to their automated hiring and onboarding, so you can onboard new employees in as little as a few days. Contracts are locally compliant and customized for each country's rule. And another feature that we have to talk about is their global payroll and benefits, as Oysterhr handles payroll processing, salary payments, tax withholding, and statutory benefits. Plus, you can offer localized benefits like health insurance and paid time leave. In addition, you'll get access to their contractor management features. So besides full-time employees, you can also hire and pay global contractors with proper invoicing and tax compliance. And you'll also get access to their HR tools and integration. With this, you'll be able to manage documents, set time off policies, and sync Oysterhr with tools like Bamboo HR, HiBob, and Greenhouse. You'll also be able to use Oysterhr's IP protection and data security feature. So Oysterhr makes sure your intellectual property and business data stay protected when hiring on board, which is super important for tech and software companies. Now let's break down the pros and cons of this platform. First, starting with the pros. It is transparent and offers a flat pricing model, easy and compliant hiring in over 130 countries, great user interface and onboarding flow, excellent customer support, employer of record and contractor support, IP and compliance protection built in. The only pullback is it is not ideal for companies hiring only in 1 or 2 countries, and some countries may still have longer onboarding time due to local laws. And the benefits coverage and options vary by country. Now, if we were to talk about user reviews and ratings, on review sites like G2 and Capterra, Oysterhr consistently scores 4.6 to 4.8 out of 5 stars, as users love how simple it is to go from "we want to hire globally" to actually onboarding someone in a matter of days. Also, their support is responsive, and contract quality is overall easy to use and commonly praised. Some users mention minor issues with platform performance in early versions, but these seem to be improving rapidly. Now, if we were to break down the pricing of this platform, now let's take a look at their pricing. Full-time employee starts off at $699 per month, and you can also see that their contractor option starts off at $29 per month. And you'll also be able to hire global assistants for handling your own entity, as you can see right there, and you can also choose to request a custom pricing. So there are no surprise fees or no hidden add-ons, just a clean, transparent pricing. Plus, Oyster offers discounts for startups and free global HR tools like cost calculators and hiring guides. And that's it. Oyster HR is a great choice for companies that want to expand internationally without getting buried in compliance, taxes, or red tape. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and scalable, making it one of the best tools out there for global remote hiring. Hope you found this review helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.